Going back to the 80s, Sydney Newman, who was still in the BBC, also said at some point in the history of the show, the Doctor should become a woman. So this idea has been around for a while. I don't think of the 80s as that far back, but y'all were born then, so it's a long time ago to you. And these ideas were there, but among artists, not quite in the major society. That's why art is so important. That's how we influence society, right? So Sydney Newman thought that. We don't get the stepping stones of a lady doctor until we get Steven Moffat, as I have said, and his wife, Sue Vertue. So a woman helps influence the time for this to happen. And as you can see here, this is not the cast of Doctor Who. Who is this?
Sherlock.
Cast of Sherlock, which Steven put together with Mark Gatiss, and Sue produces. Right? So his wife is his producing partner. He comes from a marriage where they're equally important in their job, if in fact she's not more important because she produces his work. She sells what he writes. So in a way, obviously, she has more power. So